when you want to change an object's color in Photoshop 2024, begin by selecting the object with precision. Use the object selection tool for quick results. It's smart to zoom in as close as possible to ensure you're capturing every edge accurately. Next, create a new adjustment layer. Head to the bottom of your layers panel and click on the create new fill or adjustment layer icon. Choose hue saturation for this task. It's user-friendly and offers a good range of adjustments. In the hue saturation panel, check the colorize box. This is key. By doing this, you can apply a new hue evenly across the object. Move the hue slider to start changing colors. It's instant magic, almost too easy. But there's more control needed. Adjust the saturation slider to refine how vivid you want the new color to be. Too high and it can look fake. Finding the sweet spot here is crucial for realistic results. Scott from Portland. Now let's talk lighting. So if the object looks off, tweak the lightness slider slightly. Subtlety is key. You want it to blend naturally with the surrounding elements in your image, maintaining the same light intensity. Struggling with those pesky edges. Here's a pro tip. Create a layer mask on your hue saturation layer. Use a soft brush and refine the edges. Masking allows for clean transitions and eliminates unwanted color spills. If the color change isn't all about personal taste, maybe your goal is uniform branding. Ensure the new color matches hex code values if needed. This is common for creating consistency in business graphics or marketing materials. And then you can see all of these are the meetings that they begin. And then you can see all of these meetings in this minute right here. It preserves layers and allows future changes. And then export as JPEG or PNG, depending on where you plan to use the image. We've all regretted flattening too early, and a potential pain point is color accuracy across devices. And what looks good on your screen might not translate well on others. Calibration is your friend here, or work in color space like Adobe RGB if consistency is paramount. Also worth noting, practice makes perfect. With each project, your skill sharpens. Familiarity breeds speed. In time, you'll transform colors seamlessly and impressively. An essential skill, whether you're an artist, photographer, or graphic designer. And if you have any questions or want to explore further options in Photoshop 2024, don't hesitate to continue experimenting. The latest updates often include fantastic features that are worth exploring. Stay creative. Remember, changing colors isn't just technical. It's a chance to recreate reality or enliven imagination. And it's your digital canvas, and now you have the brush. Color on,